Alright guys, back to Magishi Auto as we are representing with this under Civic. We had a no crank, no start, but we got ignition power, and I run battery tests, all the fuse tests. At one point we got a range sensor switch that was actually malfunctioning, and that wasn't the problem, that this car wasn't started. This car was started all nice and good, and after that it just stopped started. And so now it started, as you can hear it running. And what was the problem was that the starter here, as I said, this is a 2001 on the Civic EX 1.7 4-cylinder. So I just got to cut this end off because I got to rig it up right now to make it work, because I'm not about to start, I'm not about to change the starter. But this solenoid here on the starter, this wire here is supposed to be here connected with this, but I just cut it off. It was like this, if you can see that, right? It was like that, and down in that, plugged on to that. But because it's so rotten, you know, it is decayed, rusty, so it breaks right off. It comes right off, like bam, nothing like. So, you know, I was just going through, see what's next, and all I did was remove the airflow, the air intake right here. Just remove the air intake and make my way there. I started checking all the grounds, all the wires connection, and all of that, and that's what I found. So what I did to get the car started, I stripped this wire back. If you see that, I stripped the wire back and I cleaned this part out a little bit, and I stuck it down in there and rub it together and have someone start the car, and boom, boom, there it was, started. So yeah, that was my problem. Check all the fuse, check the brake, check everything else, check the battery, the whole system, and I couldn't find a problem. And one man said, you know what, let's check all the connections, and yeah, that was the problem. The starter wire came right off the ignition starter wire. Yeah, thanks guys, please like and subscribe. 2001 Honda Civic. There's not a lot of videos on these, so please, if this helped you, please like and subscribe and share.